Hello, fellow creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic for anyone working with visuals, importing and organizing your photos in Photoshop. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be a photo organization pro. Let's dive in. First things first, importing your photos. Whether it's your latest photo shoot or just some inspiration you stumbled upon, getting them into Photoshop is the initial step. I'll show you the quickest and most efficient ways to import, saving you time for the creative magic. Now that your photos are in, let's talk organization. Customizing your workspace is like setting up your creative studio. I'll guide you through arranging panels, creating workspaces, and making Photoshop truly yours. A well-organized workspace is a happy workspace. I hope these tips make your creative process smoother and more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Photoshop hacks, and hit that bell to stay updated. Until next time, keep creating and stay organized.